Good morning, everyone. So, first of all, I welcome you all to this 47th session. So, today in this session, we will discuss about scene 14 in Sirisampige, which is written by Chandrasekhar Kambar. So, we are going to discuss about the important things that will happen in scene 14. Now I am going to share the slide with you, I mean the PPT. Okay. So introduction to scene 14, the escape of Kalinga. So as you all know, what has happened in the previous scene? In scene 13, Kalinga has been Kalinga was entrapped in Sirisampige's bedroom, and that bedroom was surrounded by soldiers, Avali and Shuna. But at the end of that scene, Kalinga, he escapes through a gutter, drain gutter. And now, in scene 14, what is happening? See here. In scene 14, it is the continuation of the previous scene. Kalinga is trapped in Silsampige's room, surrounded by the soldiers. But Kalinga can take any form, as you all know. So he takes the form of a snake and he escapes by the gutter drain of the palace. And that idea is given by Sirisampige to him. And Avali, who is present at that place, he saw a snake, only a snake, escaping, through the drain gutter into the forest. And later, Prince Shivanaga, when he entered the room, there was no one in that room. And then he realizes that his plan to entrap the enemy has been failed. And when he asks Avali that is anyone or in any form has escaped from the queen's bedroom, then Avali brings to his notice that only a snake has escaped from the palace. ಅವಳಿ ಆಗ ಶಿವನಾಗನ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ತರ್ತಾನೆ. ಏನು, ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಯಾರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಹಾವನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದೆ. When Shivanaga heard that a snake has been escaped from the palace through the drain gutter, he started to interrogate Avali about the snake, how it looks like. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಸ್ನೇಕು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೋಯಿತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಶಿವನಾಗ ಅವಳಿಯ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. And you know that in the previous scene, Shivanaga has already warned Avali and the soldiers that the enemy can take any form. He is like a wizard. So when Avali goes on explaining, goes on describing about that snake, see what happens next. So Avali, he started to describe about that snake. See, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಸ್ನೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪಾಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1,000 snakes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸಾವಿರ ರಾಜರ ಒಂದು ವೈಭವದಿಂದ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಆ ಒಂದು ವೈಭವದಿಂದ ಆ ಒಂದು ಹಾವು ಆಯ್ತು the ಕಡೆಗೆ. And see here, ಅದರ ಎಡೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆನು he also described about its food. ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನು ಅದರ ವೈಭವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆನು ಕೂಡ ವರ್ಣನೆಯನ್ನ ಅವಳಿ ಮಾಡಿ. After listening to all these descriptions about the snake, Shivanaga, he started to compare the escaped snake with the snake which has appeared during the trial at the Nagali temple. He started to compare between these two snakes, and he started to identify the similarities between these two snakes. See later what happens. See here. So, I mean, let us stop our discussion here. We will continue our discussion about scene 14 in our next class. So now the snake has escaped from the palace. It means Kalinga has escaped from the palace in the form of a snake. And now Shivanaga is comparing the escaped snake with the snake which he has witnessed at the Nagalinga temple, which helped Sirisampige to prove her chastity. So now let us move to the important dialogues that we have to remember in this particular scene. Dialogue 1. Only a snake escaped by the gutter. See here. This is the dialogue delivered by Avali to Shivanaga. When Shivanaga asks, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಯಾವ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅರಮನೆಯ ಕೋಣೆಯಿಂದ ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಳಿ ಈ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಘಟ್ಟ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್. It moved with the pious of 1,000 kings. See, this is the dialogue delivered by Avali to Shivanaga while describing about the escaped snake. ಶಿವನಾಗ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಆ ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡೋದಂತಹ ಸರ್ಪ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂದಾಗ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೆಲಿವರ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್. ಇಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪಾಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1,000 ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್. 1000 ರಾಜರ ಗತವೈಭವ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಪ ಹೊಂದಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ನ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಶಿವನಾಗನಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್. Was it not the same snake which the queen took on her body that day at the trial? See here. This is the question Shivanaga asks. After listening to the entire description of Avali about that snake, he started to realize that the snake which has escaped and the snake which he has seen during the trial are one and the same. So at that time, he asked this particular question. So by this, I am going to end my 47th session. So once again, I thank you all for listening to my online session. Thank you. Thank you.